Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete files using PeaZip. First, open PeaZip on your computer. Now, go to the location where your file is saved. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an audio file that I already have. You can use any file you want to delete, such as an audio file, document, picture, video, or another type of file. Now I'll select the audio file. Right-click on the audio file. From the menu, look for the Delete option. Click on Delete. As you can see, PeaZip shows an option to move the selected file to the trash. For this demonstration, I'm not going to confirm the deletion. I'll simply cancel or close this option so the audio file stays on the computer. When you actually want to delete a file, select the file, right-click on it, choose Delete, and then select Move to Trash when prompted. Before deleting any important file, always make sure you have selected the correct file. This helps prevent accidentally deleting the wrong file. So that's how you can delete a file using PeaZip. In this tutorial, we only demonstrated the delete option without actually removing the audio file. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials.